Hi everyone, welcome to I Just React and Review. My name is Ashmita. Hope you all are doing well, and I'm back with the trailer reaction of the highly anticipated Hindi film Gunjan Saxena, the Kargil Girl, starring Janhvi Kapoor in the titular role. This movie has started getting a little backlash because firstly, with all the nepotism talks that has been going on in Bollywood, and secondly, this is produced by Dharma Productions, so Karan Johar has been getting so much backlash right now, and rightly so. So I'm not gonna prejudge anything, let's just watch the trailer and I want to give my thoughts, like genuine thoughts on the reaction, without having any preconceived notion that oh, this is a Dharma film, so I'm gonna hate on it. It's nothing like that. So yeah, let's just get into the trailer.
अगर एयरफोर्स ज्वाइन करना है तो फौजी बनकर दिखाओ, वरना घर जाकर बेलन चलाओ।
Oh.
हमारी जिम्मेदारी है इस देश की रक्षा करना, तुम्हें बराबरी का मौका देना नहीं।
Rejected.
मुझे पायलट बनना है।
लड़कियां पायलट नहीं बनती।
देखो, प्लेन लड़का उड़ाए या लड़की, दोनों को पायलट ही बोलते हैं।
देखो ये बचपना छोड़ दे, ठीक है? तू पहले पढ़ाई पे ध्यान दे, फिर देखेंगे बात।
दादा, आपने आर्मी ज्वाइन किया ना, सिर्फ मैं पायलट नहीं बन सकती।
पायलट तो बनकर रहेगी।
आप मेरी तरफ हैं कि उसकी?
हम तो इस तरफ।
पंकज त्रिपाठी।
बेटा, जो लोग मेहनत का साथ नहीं छोड़ते, किस्मत कभी उनका हाथ नहीं छोड़ता। तुलसी की बेटी मान ले, टेक ऑफ का टाइम आ गया है।
तैयार हो जाओ जवानों, उधमपुर बेस में बदलाव आने वाला है। गुंजन सक्सेना
कमांडिंग ऑफिसर पहले पहुंचता है, तुम लेट।
सर, वो ओवरऑल चेंज करने की जगह
आगे पे चेंज कर लेती।
और ढूंढा मैंने, लेकिन लेडीज टॉयलेट
मिला नहीं, क्योंकि लेडीज टॉयलेट है ही नहीं।
क्यों सर?
क्योंकि ये जगह लेडीज के लिए बनी ही नहीं है।
Oh.
आपको क्या प्रॉब्लम है मुझसे सर?
जानना चाहती हो क्या प्रॉब्लम है? Get up. Go.
इसमें क्या लिखा है?
एयरफोर्स ऑफिसर।
Oh.
10 एयरफोर्स ऑफिसर्स और एक लड़की।
फिर से
ये विकास पायलट की जरूरत ना एयरफोर्स को है, ना मेरी यूनिट को।
फिर से तुम कमजोर हो गुंजन, पर डिफेंस में कमजोरी के लिए कोई जगह नहीं।
बस एक बात कहनी थी पापा, मैं आपको कभी हारने नहीं दूंगी।
तुम कारगिल जा रही हो। इस वक्त देश को अपने बेस्ट पायलट्स की जरूरत है। जय हिंद।
जय हिंद सर।
तुमसे नहीं होगा कुछ।
Okay. Oh, 12th August. Okay. Alright, let me just first close this. Okay, so I have couple of thoughts for after watching the trailer. Number one is that what I noticed that they didn't show the Dharma production logo. They showed it as a Netflix original film. I mean, come on, don't fool the audience. We know it is a Dharma production film. Secondly, about the trailer particularly, it's a very well put together trailer, but just it's well edited. We know what to expect, but don't give out so much scenes. It's like a 2.5 minute trailer, 2 hours 30 minutes. Yeah. So we know it is going to chart Gunjan Saxena's complete journey, like from her childhood till the time she went to Kargil, like for the Kargil war. But that's fine, we know, but they have given out a lot of scenes here. It's okay, it's a well edited trailer. What I really liked was the background score that has been used. It starts very slowly and then goes into the war when it starts, becomes loud. So that's good. That's how, typical biopic trailers look like. So the score was really good. Pankaj Tripathi, such a treat to watch. I know I get very excited when any movie that he's in. I really look forward to his acting particularly. Fourth, the things which I did not like about this trailer is that why are they showing Indian Air Force in such a sexist way? I'm sure it's not like that. I mean, come on, guys. Our defense, you cannot show the defense. I'm sure she would have faced sexist comments because she was the first Air Force women Air Force pilot. So yes, I'm sure some discrimination she would have faced, but this is like showing the extreme that तुम कमजोर हो, तुम्हारी यहाँ पे कोई जगह नहीं है. If she has qualified to be in the Air Force, I mean, she trained and everything, so obviously her colleagues will have some sort of respect for her. Maybe they'll be a little distant, but I don't think they'll be like downright rude to her. Let's see. I don't know, because it's obviously inspired by true events. So, but still, personally, I didn't like the too much negativity shown and too much sexism shown. For the Indian Air Force has been shown in a bad light. I don't like that part. Let's see. This is like me judging from the trailer, because every time her colleagues are like bashing her completely. So I don't know how. Maybe not in the entire movie it is shown, but at least in the trailer that I'm getting the feeling that the Air Force is being shown in a very, very negative light. Let's see. 12th August the movie is releasing, so I'll give my full judgment after that. Then comes Janhvi Kapoor. It's her second film. Like, now I've watched Dhadak, and Dhadak, she was okay, I guess. I mean, it was Ishan's film, but she has to do, like, she's in the titular role, so she has to do the most heavy lifting throughout this film. From what I can judge, like the scene where she says fire at the last end part of the trailer. You are in middle of a war. When you say fire, it needs to be with, I don't know, some emotion or some aggression, something in your eyes. I don't know. Like, she's a very average actor, and let's see. I don't know. I mean, you could have taken another very strong female lead for this film, like, because Gunjan Saxena was a badass. I mean, is a badass, but let's see. I am not going to, like I said, this is just my judgment after looking at the trailer. I will look at the overall film and then give my final thoughts and perspective and my own opinions on it. So yeah, that was the trailer reaction to Gunjan Saxena. The trailer was very well put together. I hope the film is also very well put together. So yeah, good luck to Janhvi Kapoor for this film. I'll see you on my next video, guys. Bye bye.